Yeah, hello, good day. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali, and today we'll be still looking into our trades. Well, making use of Tradeversity, and in this training, we'll be talking about how to trade, copy two masters together. That means, in our copy trading, you want to copy two professionals at the same time. Well, right now, for now. I only advise we members to copy Lexo and Gold Trader LD, LE or something, Gold Trader, I think LE. Probably this person is Elizabeth. LE. Okay, those are the two that I advise, and I'll be talking about them, how to copy the two together, so that when one is trading or when one is not trading and so on. So you can just combine the two. Although I'm not your financial advisor, the profit and the gain or whatever comes out or the other one is none of my business. Just teasing. Well, but the truth is I'm not your financial advisor. So whether kidding or not kidding. Okay, before you do this, please watch the two videos before you do this, so it makes more sense. That means I have made a video on how to copy Lexo. I've made a video on how to copy Gold Trader LA. So the only thing is just to combine the two together. So when you know the formula for each one of them, then you'll be able to copy them when you're trading. So now get it right now. But before that, I note if you watch other videos, you'll see that you need to have activate your account with Tradeversity, the gold package. Then you trade with PU Prime, and you trade with you set your account with PU Prime, and you log into PU Social. Then you connect also to MetaTrader 5. When those are done, then you want to copy traders, professionals. So we come to PU Social. So the logic is this: we have the rule for trading with Lexo. So it's all about the proportion. So for every 5,000, you either use 0.5 or you use 1 for every 5,000, whether $5,000 or 5,000 cents. You want to use 0.5 proportion or 1. That's that. So, and I told you in the previous video that this is like going to give you a good profit than this, but this is more safe than this. So that's the difference. So then if you want to copy Gold Trader Heli, you need to use 0.1 or 0.2. So the same way, this gives you more profits than this, but this is more safer than this. You understand? So now for every 5,000. So before you can copy the two, you need 10,000. So all you just need to do is to set a trade making use of this, copy this with this, then copy this with this. So that's all. So that means um you based it on 5,000 for this, 5,000 for this. That's the ideology. You understand? So but that simply means if you have 15,000, you make two proportion for one, make what do you call it? You make one proportion for one. So if you have 20,000, you make two proportion for each. So if you have 25,000, you make three proportion for one, two proportion for the other. So what am I saying is this: assuming you have 20,000, if you are an high risk person, you can choose two proportion. Or if you want to go on a low risk, you choose one proportion, because 0.5 in in two places, then one in two places for Lexo, while gold trader LD, you choose because it is two proportion, like it is two 5,000. You are choosing 10,000 for this. That is why you are multiplying it by 2 and 10,000 for this. So that simply means you will be having 0.2 or 0.4. So it depends on your risk level. So let's go into the practical. So first thing we do is to choose Lexo. Okay, you're choosing Lexo. You want to copy this trade. So you're selecting mirror master size. Because I have 10,000, I have about 11,000, but that is still 10,000. So I'll be copying Lexo with 0.5 on a low risk. Okay, I'll choose round up the minimum trade. Then I won't choose copy existing trades. I won't choose that. So I want to agree. Okay, confirm, confirm. It's okay. I click yes. Then I click master drawdown. Then, like you know in the other videos, 30%, add stop level, 30%. So I agree. So Lexo is on my list right now. So I'll go and add the same way. I'll go and add um, gold trader Heli. Okay, so I'm going to copy this guy because I have 10,000. So 5,000 is what I'm expecting to use on this, 5,000 on the other one. So I am going to choose mirror master size. Then the proportion here on a low risk, that is 0.1. Then I round it up. That is round up to minimum trade size. Then copy existing trade, no. I agree. Then confirm, confirm. Okay. Yes. Then max drawdown. I leave it at 30% hard. Then I agree and confirm. So if you go to the account here, you realize that the two are on my strategy. Simply means the two, I'm copying the two. So whichever one is trading, I am in. And it's still a safe trade. Thank you very much. God bless you. So I think it's cool doing two, but you know, some leaders feels like there might be confusion if you're not careful. So in order not to confuse you, or if you feel like you're skeptical, you're scared, um, stay with one that you love, probably Lexo. Lexo is very safe. The difference between Lexo and gold trader early is because number one, this guy is trading gold, which is more volatile than this guy. So, and apart from that, why I love gold trader LDs, it simply means I think Lexo is a day trader, so his trade spend longer time, but is a very safe trade. While gold trader LD seems to be a semi-sniper, somebody that trades on probably 15 minutes time frame or thereabout. So his trade gets activated, you know, often. So it goes in and out, it goes in and out. He hardly stay without closing his trade for the day, while Lexo sometimes does not close his trade for the day, even going on weekend. He sometimes leaves his trade to be there, but he's always coming back to close it in profit. So that's about that. And sometimes Lexo do not rush into trade. So probably he does a day on, a day off, while gold trader healthy will just jump into the market within 10 minutes, 20 minutes, it's out. and probably come back later in the evening, do some stunt again and get out. But no matter what, if you're trading 1%, you'll still see your huge profits. If you're trading the two, I think it's okay also. So, and like I said, the worst thing that will happen is it will eat your 30%. And most of the time you would have made a lot of money. So it's going to be eating part of your profit. For example, I started this account with 5,000 and the account is now what? Let's check. Okay. My account, the profit I have made is 8,000, but the account now is 10,937. An account I started with 5,000 because I did 5,000, I withdrew it back and I put it back in probably the third day before I started trading with the 5,000. So no matter what you do, you make good money. But you just need to follow the proportion to be safe. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.